The wait is over. The 2024 Olympics have arrived, and this year, the City of Lights is shining brighter than ever. Paris is hosting the Summer Games, and the energy is electric. From the opening ceremony's dazzling spectacle to the roar of the crowds, the world is captivated. Athletes from every corner of the globe have come together to compete at the highest level. The stage is set for history to be made. Let the Games begin. The Olympics are more than just a sporting event. They are a symbol of global unity and cooperation. For a few weeks, the world puts aside its differences and comes together to celebrate human achievement. Athletes from all walks of life compete with passion and respect. They inspire us with their dedication and perseverance. The Olympics remind us that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. The 2024 Olympics are particularly significant. They mark the return of the Games to Paris after a century. The city is buzzing with excitement. People from all over the world have come to experience the magic of the Olympics. The Games are a boost to the local economy and a source of pride for the French people. But the impact of the Olympics extends far beyond Paris. The Games are a platform for promoting peace and understanding. They foster cultural exchange and break down barriers between nations. The Olympics show us what is possible when we come together in the spirit of sportsmanship. Every Olympics brings new innovations and surprises. The 2024 Games are no exception. This year, we are seeing the debut of several exciting new sports. These sports reflect the evolving nature of the Games and the interests of a new generation. They also add an element of unpredictability and excitement to the competition. One of the most anticipated additions is breaking. This dynamic and acrobatic dance form has captured the imagination of young people worldwide. Breaking made its debut at the Youth Olympic Games and is now part of the Summer Games program. The competition is fierce, with b-boys and b-girls pushing the limits of creativity and athleticism. Another new sport making waves is sport climbing. This thrilling discipline tests athletes' strength, agility, and problem-solving skills as they navigate challenging vertical walls. Sport climbing has gained immense popularity in recent years, and its inclusion in the Olympics is a testament to its growing global appeal. Section 4: Icons in the Making, Athletes to Watch. The Olympics are a showcase for the world's greatest athletes. Every 4 years, we are treated to displays of extraordinary talent, skill, and determination. The 2024 Games are no exception. This year's field of competitors is packed with stars and rising stars. Here are a few names to watch. Simone Biles, the most decorated American gymnast of all time, is back to defend her Olympic titles. Biles is a force of nature known for her gravity-defying routines and infectious smile. She is an inspiration to millions around the world. Caleb Dressel, the American swimming sensation, is another athlete to watch. Dressel holds multiple world records and is expected to dominate in the pool. His speed and power are a sight to behold. Naomi Osaka, the Japanese tennis star, is hoping to make history in Paris. Osaka is a 4-time Grand Slam champion and a vocal advocate for mental health awareness. She is a role model for young athletes everywhere. Eliud Kipchoge, the Kenyan marathon runner, is aiming to become the first man to win 3 consecutive Olympic marathons. Kipchoge is considered by many to be the greatest marathon runner of all time. His endurance and determination are unmatched. Section 5: The Thrill of Victory, the Power of Unity. The Olympics are a celebration of the human spirit. We see athletes pushing their limits, overcoming adversity, and achieving their dreams. We witness moments of triumph and heartbreak, of joy and disappointment. But through it all, the spirit of sportsmanship prevails. The Olympics remind us that it's not just about winning or losing, it's about giving your best, respecting your opponents, and coming together as a global community. The closing ceremony of the Olympics is always a bittersweet occasion. We celebrate the achievements of the athletes and the success of the Games. We bid farewell to the host city and look forward to the next chapter in the Olympic story. The Olympic flame is extinguished, but its spirit continues to burn brightly. The 2024 Olympics will be remembered for many things: the thrilling competitions, the inspiring athletes, and the warm hospitality of the French people. But most importantly, these Games will be remembered for their message of unity and hope. In a world often divided, the Olympics remind us of our shared humanity. Section 6: Carrying the Torch, a Legacy of Inspiration. The Olympics leave a lasting legacy. They inspire us to be better, to dream bigger, and to reach for our full potential. They show us that anything is possible if we set our minds to it. The 2024 Olympics will inspire generations to come. The new sports venues and infrastructure will benefit Parisians for years to come. The 2024 Games have been a resounding success. As the Olympic flame fades, let us carry its spirit with us.